Hello friends, welcome to the CloudBig YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we will learn how to add site collection admin to Office 365 OneDrive, or you can say OneDrive for business sites. So the site collection admin is like secondary admin for the particular user's OneDrive. So what permissions a site collection admin has, like he or she can access all files and folder of users OneDrive, sharing and permission access, and deleting and uploading files. So we can add site collection admin to OneDrive sites through Admin Center and SharePoint Online Management Shell. So we will see both methods one by one. So first proceed with the Admin Center process. So first we will go to our Office 365 account. Here go to the admin. So now we are into the admin. So here click on active users and here select any user. Go to the OneDrive tab. So for adding site collection admin, we need to create link to files. So click on this. Now we can access this user. So we have added site collection admin to particular user OneDrive. So we can click on this link to access files. We can see the files here. So this is the admin center method. So if you need to add site collection admin to one or two OneDrives, then you can use the admin center method. There is no method to add site collection admin through admin center in bulk. So if we need to add site collection admin for multiple accounts, we can use the SharePoint Online Management Shell. So first we need to open SharePoint Online Management Shell. You can download this shell from the Microsoft official website. You can check out the link in the description for the same. So now go back to the blog. I have also provided the link of this blog in the description so you can check out. So first we need to connect to the SharePoint Online through SharePoint Online Management Shell. So this is the command to connect to the SharePoint Online. So open Notepad, paste here. So here you need to provide your tenant name. Copy this command and run in the SharePoint Online Management Shell. Now log in with your admin account. So for this you should have SharePoint administrator permission or global administrator permission. So here provide your password to log in. Now we are logged into the SharePoint Online. So first we need to get the OneDrive site URLs. Copy this command, run here. So you can see the OneDrive URLs here. So if you need to add site collection admin to one user, then you can use this command. Copy this command and paste in the notepad. So in this command, we need to provide here OneDrive site URL. In the login name, we need to provide the email address for the site collection admin. So now our command is ready. Copy this command and run here. So you can see the command has been completed. So this user is added as site collection admin in this OneDrive account. So if you need to add SharePoint site collection admin to all OneDrive account, then you can use this command. So we have already connected to the SharePoint Online. So we will copy this command from here, or you can run this whole command. So copy this whole command and paste in Notepad. Here provide your tenant name. So here you need to provide the site collection admin email address. So now our command is ready. Copy this and run in the SharePoint management shell. Here choose your account, and you can see it is adding the site collection admin to all the accounts. So now let's get back to the blog. So if you need to add site collection admin to multiple users, like you have 100 OneDrive for business sites and you need to add site collection admin to only 10 to 20 sites. So in this case, this command will work. First, you will need to make the CSV file. So first we will prepare a CSV file. So in this command, you need two headers. One is site URL and another is site collection admin. So in site URL, we need to provide the OneDrive URLs, and in site collection admin, we need to provide the person whom we are making the site collection admin. So let's copy 2 or 3 OneDrive site URLs. So here we have provided 2 URLs, and in the site collection admin, we need to provide the email address. You can provide different email address also. So once we have prepared the Excel file, we need to save it as CSV. Here choose the CSV and save. So now our CSV file is prepared. So this is the command. So copy this complete command, paste in your notepad. Okay. So here we need to provide tenant name. So here we need to provide our CSV file path. This is our CSV file. So copy path, paste here. So it will connect to this URL. So now we will copy this command and run it in SharePoint Online Management Shell. So paste here and enter. Log in with your account, and you can see it has added site collection admin to these sites. So you can choose any of the method, which one you prefer. So in this tutorial, we have shared the site collection admin process through Admin Center and through Exchange Online Management Shell. Thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.